TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine has become a trusted solution for industries such as pharmaceuticals, natural gas, nuclear energy, electronics manufacturing, clean pipeline systems, and food and beverage production. Let's highlight its use in high-purity gas pipelines. High-purity gas pipelines, especially in semiconductor and pharmaceutical production, require welds free of contaminants. The TATE welding machine ensures flawless, smooth, and clean weld seams, maintaining the integrity of gas flow and preventing contamination. Its automated orbital welding technology guarantees precision, consistency, and durability, even in cleanroom environments. The machine's compatibility with materials like stainless steel and titanium alloys makes it the ideal choice for building reliable high-purity gas systems. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing comprehensive OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and